the report card, here's what we're going to do is we're going to graph this. And this is where, if you can do this, if you can visually see the numbers, it'll give you a much better perspective on what's going on. So here's what I want you to do is I want you to highlight all this stuff. Except you don't have to do the buys that's down below here. But I want you to highlight all this stuff. Everybody got that? Okay, go to charts. That'll be your charts tab. So you got home, layout, tables, charts, right? No?
We have ours in insert.
Oh, man.
Where's you?
Crazy PCs. Go to tables.
Insert and then table.
Page layout, formulas. Oh, wait, you're on file. Where are you at? Insert. Yeah, go to insert.
And then click on what?
Go to insert first. Do you see a little icon that says scatter?
Yeah, like a little.
Okay. So when I open this, does everybody see this like mark scatter?
Yeah, we have that too.
Okay, hit that. See what happens. Science! Not yet. Wait till the good stuff's coming, guys. I'm telling you.
Are we going to include Raiders right there too? Or no?
We could. So we're going to do Broncos first. And that's the thing is what you should do is you should do the Oakland as well. All right. These are basically the points for the Denver offense, which is in orange. It's kind of cool how this worked out. And the Denver defense, which is in blue. All right. These points are just kind of little specks on this big kind of plane, right? It doesn't make much sense, does it? Right? I mean, you don't get a feel for it. What do you think would help us like understand this data a little better? What could we insert that would help us?
What the numbers are.
The numbers?
An average line.
Yes! Oh, extra credit. Big time, buddy. Yes! What if we put a line in there that's supposed to kind of represent the average of all those little points for each the offense and the defense? Let's do that right now for the defense. So here's what I want you to do. Pay attention to this because you are going to use this a lot in class, is graphing stuff. And you're going to use it in life as well. This is a very good skill. Here's what I want you to do is I want you to select one of the blue things, and all these things should be selected. You see what happens? Okay. Now that they're all selected, right click. Now I want you to go to add trend line. Everybody see that? Everybody got that? Okay. Hit that one. Now we got some choices to make. So basically what it does is we can put a linear line in there that tries to represent all the averages for the defense. Let's look at the linear line for a minute. Well, actually, let's make that line. What color you want to make it?
Blue.
Okay. All right. So go to line. Do you guys have type? And then you can go down to line.
Line color.
Line color. Yeah. Do you see that?
Line, solid line.
You can do solid. Let's go to gradients. Do you have gradients? Oh, no, weight and arrows.
Yeah, we have weight and arrows?
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't have that one.
Oh, you don't? Okay, with gradient, what you can do is you just select a really thick one. Or wait, where's weight? Oh, here's mine. So for weight, I'm gonna put 3 points.
What's it different?
Gradient. So you can go to line style. That's probably where you're gonna find it.
That's cute.
Yeah, hit that one. So now go to line style and put in 3.
For the width?
Yeah.
What the width? Line style? This one? Width? So I'll take out the first.
Okay, man, we're running out of time. Okay, let's do the offense. Same thing. Do it for the offense. So remember, select one of the points, add trend line.
We change it to 3, 2.
Yeah, why not? You can also change the color as well. So if I click on this trend line, if I double click, I'll get back to that edit window. See that? So if you go to, see the solid, the color, it'll say a black here. We can make it orange if we wanted to. So let's take a look right now. Look at the defensive line, which is, my one is in black. Where is that line? Is it above or below 0? Did everybody get that? Yep, you got it. Sweet. What do we say about the defenses, right? If it's below 0, if they're allowing the team less points than we expected, is that good or bad for the defense? Right. What's happening to the offense? Here it was positive, right?
Yeah.
What happens as time's going on? Yeah, it's getting worse, right?
Yeah.
The Broncos are getting worse as the season goes on.
That's good.
The defense seems to be about the same. Remember, though, this is just a linear line. What we can also do is we can make it all kinds of different shapes. So here's what I want you to do. Let's go back to the defensive line. Double click on it. You should see this window again.
Yep.
Yep, you got it?
Yep.
Go to type again, where it has linear, logarithmic. Do you have this polynomial?
Time? Wait, which one?
Type.
Oh, yeah.
You got it?
We got it.
Trend line options. Try trend line options, I think.
Yeah, it's that one.
Yes. Got it.
No.
So linear is great if you're wanting to draw a straight line, but you know, this is real life. Maybe this isn't a linear model. So what we can do is we can make it logarithmic. Click on that. Logarithmic, or we can go to polynomial. You have polynomial, right?
Yes.
Click on that one. That would be the frowny face the defense makes at you as they tackle you. All right? Now let's do the same thing to the offense. Let's go polynomial. Again, what we're doing is we're using different factors to try to approximate what this report card is over the season. Again, hit polynomial.
We did it from you too.
Yeah.
That's cute.
But this kind of tells you, this is a story right here. These aren't just lines, right? Let me take you back to the beginning of the season. Bronco offense, doing great. Yay, Peyton Manning, we love you. Yes, yes. Peyton gets injured. Defense. Defense is good. It's really good. It's good. We're not as good as we used to, but at least we're not bad. We're doing about as expected. Now we got to get really, really good because the offense is suffering. These lines tell a story. These points tell a story. If you can see it as a picture, you will get the story. As we go on, we're going to do this not just for football data, but for demographic data. We're going to do this for criminal data. We're going to do this for genes. We're going to do this for all kinds of stuff. How do I get these points to make a picture? It goes back to that TV, right? We're watching this. This is just pixels, colored boxes. And we get all this. That's what I want out of this, is to basically make these boxes, put them together to make a story. And from that story, you can understand why the Broncos did so poorly. It's because our offense is tanking. Even though our defense seems to be getting better, our offense is gone. This might go back up. The thing is, we have to keep modeling this. If I were to model this, and here's what happens is, what I want you to do is I want you to do the same thing, but put in, do the one for Oakland and see what Oakland does. I bet what you're going to find is maybe Oakland's defense is maybe doing something different as well.
Yep.
Or maybe their offense is too. Let's take a look at what they do. So here's your assignment.